Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Verizon iPhone stuck on SOS mode. So here's a guide for your SIM or eSIM, iMessage or FaceTime and reset it. Fix one, check for a Verizon network outage. A temporary Verizon outage can cause your iPhone to display SOS mode. If there's an outage in your area, wait until service is restored. Switch to toggle airplane mode. Open Control Center, turn airplane mode on. Wait for 30 seconds and turn airplane mode off and check for service. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the appropriate buttons for your iPhone model. Slide to power off and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Fix 4. Check cellular settings. Go to Settings, select Cellular, and make sure cellular data is turned on. If you use dual SIMs, ensure your Verizon line is enabled. Fix 5. Turn automatic network selection on. Go to Settings, select Cellular, and then go to Network Selection. Enable automatic so your iPhone reconnects to the Verizon network. Fix 6. Update carrier settings. Connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, select General, and then go to About. If prompted, you need to tap Update to install the latest carrier settings. Fix 7. Update your iOS. Go to Settings, select General, and then go to Software Update. Install any available update. Fix 8. Reset or check your SIM card. Turn off your iPhone, remove the SIM card, and check for dirt or damage. Reinsert it securely and restart the phone. Fix 9. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, select General, and then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then select Reset network settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Allow the iPhone to restart. Fix 10. Contact Verizon support. Verify your Verizon account is active. Ask Verizon to check for SIM or eSIM activation issues. If necessary, request a replacement SIM or eSIM activation. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.